Hey everyone, welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips. Today we are diving into the latest MacBook Air with M3 chip. Is it worth the upgrade? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the advantages of the MacBook Air with the M3 chip. Number 1. Performance boost. The M3 chip offers a significant performance boost compared to its predecessor, the M2. You will notice faster processing speeds, smoother multitasking, and improved graphics performance. Number 2. Battery life. One of the standout features of the MacBook Air with M3 chip is its exceptional battery life. You can easily get through a full day of work or school without needing to recharge. Number 3. Lightweight and portable. The MacBook Air remains one of the lightest and most portable laptops on the market. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone on the go. Number 4. Enhanced display. The M3 model comes with a stunning liquid retina display, offering vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you are editing photos, watching videos, or just browsing the web, the display quality is top notch. Number 5. Improved AI capabilities. With the updated neural engine, the M3 chip enhances on-device AI tasks, making everything from photo editing to voice recognition faster and more efficient. Now, let's discuss some disadvantages of the MacBook Air with the M3 chip. Number 1. Price. With the M3 MacBook Air is powerful, it comes with a higher price tag. If you are on a budget, the M2 model might still be a better option. Number 2. Limited ports. The MacBook Air continues to have a limited number of ports. If you rely on multiple peripherals, you might need to invest in additional adapters. Number 3. No major design changes. The design of the M3 MacBook Air is almost identical to the M2 model. If you are looking for a fresh new look, you might be disappointed. Number 4. Storage and memory upgrades. The base model comes with limited storage and memory. Upgrading these can significantly increase the overall cost. Number 5. Gaming performance. While the M3 chip improves gaming performance, it's still not a par with dedicated gaming laptops. If gaming is a priority, you might want to look elsewhere. So, there you have it. The MacBook Air with M3 chip offers impressive performance and battery life, but it comes with a few drawbacks. What do you think? Is it worth the upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching Evergreen Tech Tips. For more tech tips and reviews, thanks for watching Evergreen Tech Tips, and we will see you in the next video. Also, you can visit our website www.evergreentechtips.com.